How to make traditional bread. Use 500 grams of flour, 5 grams of salt, 2 grams of sugar, 7 grams of yeast, 300 milliliters of water,
a tablespoon,
of oil. Form it into a dough and then leave it to rest covered for 15 minutes. Take the dough out, form it into balls, and let it rest again. Take the balls out and flatten the dough using your hands at first and then a rolling pin. Make sure that the dough is completely flattened out. Melt some butter, pour it onto the dough, and spread it out using your hands or a brush. Make a cut into the dough and form it into a long roll. And then you roll that long roll up. Now for a last time, you flatten the dough out and bake each side for 5 minutes, or you fry it. Then it's ready. Enjoy it.
Enjoy it.